Practice now 9. This question is related with exercise 8b. Book page number is 197. The worked example which I have just done before this question and I have uploaded that video is almost related to this question. This is question now practice now 9 and question number 1 of the practice now 9. If the cost of an article raised by 9% to $654, what is the original cost of the article? Actually, we have to find the original cost of the article. So we shall let the original cost which was the old cost, which was the old price of that article. Suppose that article is a book or a magazine. So original cost we have supposed as X. So increase is increase. How much increase has been done? 9%. Of course, the increase will be on the original cost, not at this cost. Increase is at the original cost because this cost is actually the cost which becomes after the increase. So increase will be done on the original cost first of all. 9% of X. Instead of writing multiplication sign, I shall directly write X. 9% of X means the 9% of the original cost. Now the formula is such that new cost, in the same way I did the previous question, new salary was equal to original salary plus increase. Same here I shall do new cost, original cost plus increase. What did I do in the previous question? Here is new cost, here is new salary, here is original cost, here it was original salary, plus increase plus increase. The word raised here means the increase. If the cost of an article is raised by this, if there was the decrease, we shall do the subtraction. If there is an increase, we shall do the addition. So new cost is already given in the question, but original cost has been demanded. New cost is actually $654, and the original cost we have just supposed as X, and the increase is actually 9% of X. So we shall take LCM here. 100 will be LCM. This doesn't have any denominator, so it will be multiplied with the denominator of the other fraction. So 100 with the X will be 100X, and its denominator is already in the LCM. I mean the 9's denominator is 100, so it is already in the LCM. So the thing which is already in the LCM, its numerator will be written as it is. Its numerator is not only 9, it is actually 9X. You should make sure both of these have the X. 100 is also having X, 9 is also having X. 654 will not be affected till now. So 100 plus 9 will be 109X divided by 100, and here it was 654. 100 plus 9, I mean this 100 plus 9 is actually 109 divided by 100 divided by 100. This was 654, here it was 654. Now let's quickly finish the question, because the previous question was not completed, only the division process was left. So I think you have understood the previous question. You can do the division in the last, which I left in the previous question video. I mean 654 will be as it is, 100 will go to other side, it will be at the top, and 109 will come here and it will be in the bottom, and equal to sign must, and X will be alone there. 654 after multiplication with the 100 at the top, both of these will be multiplied, it will be like this, and dollar sign here, 109 here. Now use the calculator to divide both of them. So 654 100 divided by 109 will be actually $600. So $600 was actually its original cost, which after increase became 654. Thank you, and keep on watching and subscribe my channel.